We're going to do the 40 round AZ post course of fire right now, under time. Ready? First drill we're going to do is moving forward 5 to 3, 3 rounds, 3 seconds. Then we're going to offset right, offset left, and do 3 rounds in the same time frame. So here we go. All from the ready position. We will offset 3 rounds, 3 seconds. Offset left. So we're going to move back to 7. Drop that sheet. And then we're going to move back to the 7 yard. We're going to do 3 rounds, 3 seconds from the holster position. Hang tight. Let's do this. Then we're going to do from a ready position. Oops, let me reset that. We're going to do 3 rounds, 3 seconds from a ready position. And then we're going to transition to your primary hand, 2 rounds, 4 seconds. Let me change my timer. Here we go. It's going to be 2 rounds from a ready position, primary hand, 4 seconds. Then we're going to transition to the support hand, 2 rounds, 4 seconds. So the next one we're going to do is 6 rounds, an empty gun, 3 rounds in 12 seconds. Let me change my timer. All right, here we go. Then you can get rid of that paper, Miley. 6 rounds, empty gun, and then we're going to go straight to 3 more rounds. 12 seconds. And this one will be from a holster. Quite a bit of time there. So now what we're going to do is move back to the 15 yard range. So this one's going to be pretty easy. We're going to do 2 rounds, tack, reload, 1 round. So it's going to be pretty simple, but now we're at 15 yards. All our body shots again. Let me change my timing. Because we now have 10 seconds to do 2 rounds, tack, reload, and 1 round, all to the body. And this will be from a holster. Ready? Plenty of time. Now, from a holster position, things get a little tricky. We're going to do 2 to the body, 1 to the head, 6 seconds. Let me change my timing. And here we go. 6 seconds from the holster. Plenty of time. Now we're going to do it from a ready position, 2 to the body, 1 to the head. Plenty of time. Now what we need to do is we're going to clear out the gun. Make sure it's empty. Look, feel, touch. Let the slide go forward. You want at least a 3-round mag. This is the last 3 rounds you're going to do. Put the mag in. Do not load the gun because this is a malfunction drill. It's the last one. 2 to the body, 1 to the head, 10 seconds. Let me redo my timer. So here we go. 10 seconds again. It's going to be a draw. Press the trigger, nothing happens. Tap, rack, 2 to the body, 1 to the head, 10 seconds. That's it. So it's pretty easy. Let's go over the formalities of it again. 170 to 200 is scoring. 40 rounds. 5 to 3, 7 yards, 15 yards. 37 body shots. The last 3 include head shots. So it's 2 to 1. So that's the big differences here. You saw me do everything in time. Let's go look at the target. One thing I forgot to tell you is once you complete the 7 yards, that's when the instructor will go up and score 28 rounds. And then you'll do your last 12 back there. There's my 3 headshots, so I'm good. There's 28 rounds right here, because you guys heard it. I didn't miss any of them. That's a 200 right there, under time. So come out if you want to do the LEOSA course, or if you're interested and you have to do this for your job, come out. I'll run you through it and show you how this goes. It's fairly simple. Any questions, post below, and I'll put the course of fire below as well. Look forward to seeing you in class. Be safe everywhere you go. Have a good one. Bye.